Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone's access from your Google Sheet. Maybe you gave someone access so they could view the sheet, edit the sheet, complete a specific task. And now they're done, and you need to remove their access. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Click the Share button. Go to the top right corner of your spreadsheet. Click the Share button. If the file is shared with someone, you'll see multiple profile icons there. When you hover over it, the tooltip will say something like, Shared with one person. Click that button. Step 2. Find the person's access level. A sharing window will open. You'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to the spreadsheet. Next to their name, you'll see their permission level. For example, editor, viewer, commenter. Click the drop-down arrow next to editor, or whatever role they have. Step 3. Remove access. Scroll down in that drop-down menu. Click. Remove access. You may see a note that says, Pending changes. Click Save to confirm. Step 4. Confirm it's private. Now look back at the Share button in the top right. It should say, Private to only me, and you'll see a small lock icon. That lock icon confirms that only you now have access to the spreadsheet. And that's it. Access removed. Why this is important. This is especially useful when you're working with freelancers, you're sharing financial data, you're handling client information, you want tighter file control. It's a simple step, but an important one for privacy and security. If you want more practical Google Sheets tips like this, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I share tutorials to help you work smarter, cleaner, and more confidently in Google Sheets. Drop your questions in the comments. I might answer them in a future video. And I'll see you in the next one.